Want to take control of your privacy in Google Chrome? Whether you're concerned about unwanted camera access or just want to fine-tune which sites can use your webcam, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to allow or block camera access in Chrome, so you can browse with confidence and peace of mind. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. I know this one sounds obvious, but sometimes we're on a different browser or device, so double-check that you're in Chrome before moving forward. With Chrome open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 little dots stacked vertically. These dots are your gateway to Chrome's menu options, so go ahead and click on them. A menu will drop down, and here's where you'll want to look for Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list, and selecting it will take you to Chrome's configuration hub. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes the menu changes order depending on updates, but Settings is always there. Now that you're in the Settings panel, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. This section is important. It's your command center for controlling what information sites can access. Click on Privacy and Security, and you'll unlock a whole collection of tools for protecting your browsing experience. Within the Privacy and Security section, look for Site Settings. This is where Chrome organizes permissions for things like your location, microphone, and of course, your camera. Click into Site Settings, and you'll be greeted with even more options. Take a moment to explore if you're curious, but we'll focus on the camera permissions for now. Under Site Settings, you'll find the camera option. Go ahead and select it. Now, you're at the heart of camera control within Chrome. Here's where you can choose exactly how you want websites to interact with your device's camera. If your goal is to block all camera access, select Don't Allow Sites to Use Your Camera. With this option enabled, any web feature that needs a camera, whether it's video conferencing, uploading ID photos, or a virtual classroom, simply won't be able to use it. This is a great way to ensure privacy, especially if you rarely use your camera for web apps. Keep in mind, features like Zoom calls or Google Meet won't work unless you change this setting later, so weigh your needs before deciding. Alternatively, if you want to allow sites the option to use your camera, choose Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera. With this setting, whenever a website needs camera access, say for a video chat or uploading a document photo, Chrome will prompt you with a request. You stay in control and can grant or deny access each time. This is perfect if you use certain sites for video calls but want to avoid blanket access. Just below, you'll notice 2 lists: Not Allowed to Use Your Camera and Allowed to Use Your Camera. These are specific to individual websites that you've already interacted with. For example, if you gave permission to a video chat site, you'll spot it under Allowed. If you denied a site, it'll appear under Not Allowed. This makes it easy to review and adjust permissions for trusted or blocked sites whenever you need. Think of it like a guest list. You decide who gets access. That's all there is to it. Changing these settings gives you the power to protect your privacy and control how your camera is used. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with camera permissions, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you're interested in more helpful Chrome tips like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.